Do you want to get started on your way to earning $5,000 a month in income? If so, stick around for this entire video because I'm going to show you how to upload videos with the Amazon Influencer Video Program. Hey Creator Crew, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, consider clicking that subscribe button, ringing the bell, and turning on mobile notifications so you're alerted to future content. Amazon Influencer Video is the hottest new platform and opportunity for content creators. If you want to tap into this amazing opportunity, you need to know how to start uploading videos to Amazon. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process and show you exactly how you get your videos in front of potential shoppers on Amazon. Before we jump into that process, I just want to give you a brief overview of how Amazon Influencer Video works. Amazon has a program called the Amazon Influencer Program. With that program, you have the ability to upload videos directly to Amazon. Now, you do have to qualify for the Amazon Influencer Program. If you're not familiar with how to do that, I'll put a video on screen up here where you can see what it takes to qualify for Amazon Influencers. But if you're already an influencer, then you can check out this video and start uploading videos. Once you start uploading videos to Amazon and you've reached their minimum threshold for approval, Amazon will start sharing your videos across Amazon in a variety of different ways so that shoppers can use your videos to make purchasing decisions. When somebody clicks on your video and then buys the product, you're going to get a commission for that sale. You may be familiar with Amazon Affiliates, which is part of the Amazon Associates program, but this is much different. With an affiliate, you have to drive people to the platform from some other platform. Maybe that's an affiliate link in your YouTube videos or on your website, but the great thing about Amazon Influencer Video is that people are already there ready to purchase. They may have some last minute questions that they need answering, and you have the opportunity to step in with your video and help them make that buy. And when they buy, you get paid. Now we're going to jump over on to the computer to show you exactly what the upload process looks like for Amazon Influencer Video. But before you do, I want to let you know that this video is made possible by Influencer 100X. Influencer 100X is my course to help you absolutely crush it with Amazon Influencer Video. If you want to learn all the steps that I've taken to gain over $5,000 in monthly income on Amazon Influencer Video, then head over to influencer100x.com and sign up for the course. And when you sign up for Influencer 100X, you'll immediately gain access to our private Facebook group where we will be there to coach you, help you through, give you ideas on how to target products and upload videos, how to improve your videos, and all the things you need to do to absolutely crush it. All right, let's jump over onto the computer. I'll show you exactly what the upload process looks like. All right, so I just wanted to take a moment to show you my earnings for the past month. This is July 1st through July 30th, and as you can see, I've crossed $5,000 this month in revenue. What I also want to show you is my earnings for the year so you can see how this has progressed. So if we jump into the year and apply, you'll see that we have made $14,244 as an Amazon influencer using Amazon Influencer Video. This does not include any other type of commissions. This is all through Amazon Influencer Video. As you can see, I put my first videos out at the tail end of February 2021. And the first month we were able to get to 434. We doubled that plus some to 1,000. And then we almost tripled that to 3, and now we are at the 4,600 mark last month, and we just crossed $5,000 on for July. So we're definitely heading in an upward direction. We don't know where the top will be, but I'm certainly excited to continue this and be able to share this information with you. As you can also see, I'm closing in on $500,000 in shipped items revenue. That is the total amount of product that Amazon has shipped, and my earnings, which are the commission from that total amount, are $14,244.43. All right, so the actual process of uploading a video to Amazon can be done from a couple different places. We're going to focus on where I upload most of my videos, and that is actually from your influencer page. So you get the opportunity to set up a customized page on Amazon. This is mine. And when we scroll down here, you'll see the videos that I've done here. And then in the upper right-hand corner in this video section, it says manage videos. Now, if you have not uploaded videos, of course, you're not going to see any videos, but you should have this link to manage videos. Okay, time out. My big head was in the way. This is where the manage video option is. Now here on the manage image video screen, you're going to see a number of different pieces of information. The one thing to consider here is that these numbers are only for the last 30 days. Amazon has a way to go in terms of providing us a little more in the way of analytics. So these are the numbers that we're limited by. So we know in the last 30 days, we've had 80,000 views, average view duration of 31 seconds, percentage viewed 50%, and earned commissions in the last 30 days, 44.68. Now, I honestly don't know how they actually figure out these or whether there's a delay here, because obviously I can look at my other analytics that I just showed you and know that I've made $5,000 in the last 30 days. So hopefully, as Amazon continues to provide more information and more clarity with some additional analytics, we'll be able to see why there's a discrepancy between what it says the last 30 days are and what I can see on that other screen. So here in the upper right-hand corner, we have upload video. That's where we're going to upload videos to Amazon Influencer Video. So we click upload, it brings us to this page. There's a couple pieces of information you want to focus on here. It says upload a shoppable video. There's a number of different names that these videos get referred to by. Some call them Amazon Shorts or short videos. They are shoppable videos. They are on-site content, Amazon Influencer Video. They're all the same thing. Any videos that are uploaded by an Amazon influencer is what we're dealing with here. So first thing you're going to do is click upload. You're going to go and find your video, grab your video. You click open and it will start to upload that video. Now, the other stuff that you need to focus on is the title, your product or products that you're going to tag in the video, and then a thumbnail. Now, when this video is done uploading, they will in fact select a still image from the video, but they usually do a really poor job of that. So I suggest doing custom thumbnails. There's a number of different ways that you can do that. I personally use Canva. You can go to trycanvapro.today to give Canva a try. There's also a link in the description below if you're looking for a really easy to use graphic design tool that just has about every feature that I can possibly want. So it's what I use. If you're interested, it's in the description below. But we want to find the product. We need to tag it. We click tag, and we see that in this case, this is Seresto dog, large. And we want to find the one that we actually are using here. This says for small dogs up to 18 pounds. The one we're looking for is over 18 pounds. I'm going to look at that thing. Large dog, Seresto large dog. Every once in a while, you run into products that are hard to find. Seresto large dog. And we're looking for the lab. Where's the lab? Seresto flea and tick 8-month large dogs. This is the one we want. Okay. So Amazon will let you know they definitely do not want you to tag products that are not in your video. In this case, we're going to stick to tagging only the product that is referenced, and there it is. We're going to click done here. So now we have our thumbnail. Now the video is done. We can double check that real quick. Looks good there. Then we have to come up with a title. Now, these videos are going to show up eventually on the product page of the product that you're linking. Now, it used to be that you had to upload 10 videos to Amazon before you would get access to the product pages. They've now reduced that to just 3 videos. So they're definitely looking to pull people onto the platform. So there's an opportunity there to get started, but you have to make 3 videos and only 3 videos. They'll review them and then they'll determine whether or not your videos meet their standards. You can find those by searching on Amazon for their rules and guidelines and what they're looking for in their videos. And once you're approved with those 3 videos, then those videos and future videos may appear on product pages as well as other placements around Amazon. So we're not going to get fancy here. Seresto flea and tick collar. So we have our video, we have our title, we've linked our product, and now we have to come up with a custom thumbnail. Now, to be quite honest, this is every once in a while. So I've done 117 videos, maybe once every 10 or 15 videos, the screenshot that they take isn't so bad. So in this case, One of the things that I did when I made this video is try to stage things. As you can see, I moved the Seresto container off to the side, but kept it in frame. And I'm actually opening the collar. So this actually isn't the worst thumbnail for this. I'm actually going to leave it like this. But I also will show you real quick what I would do. So here's what we would do if we're going to do our own thumbnail. I would actually pop open the video locally. And I do kind of like where the image that they picked. So kind of interesting. And we'll do something like this maybe. And then it's real simple here. Grab a still print from the video. Save it in my same folder. Open Canva. Go up here, do YouTube thumbnail because it's the same 16 by 9 orientation for that. We'll do a blank one. Come in here, upload video, upload media from device, grab our image, let it upload, grab it, right click, set as background, click on it, adjust it a little bit, see if we can make it pop a little bit more. I'm going to go blurry in the opposite direction, kind of sharpen it up a bit. See what we can do without making it look too ridiculous here. Maybe darken the edges. Something like that'll work. Save our image. Upload our custom thumbnail. Got our video uploaded, we've got our title, we've got our linked product, and we've got our thumbnail. We click submit, and we've just uploaded a video to Amazon Influencer Video. You'll see it shows up right here as processing. If there's any problem with the video, you're going to get a message here that it didn't work. When they have reviewed it, it goes from processing to reviewed and then to published. Once it's published, then it's out on your page, your Amazon page. It'll show up down here with the rest of these videos. And once you're approved for product placement beyond your influencer page, then they'll start to appear out on product pages and other places. And that is where the money starts to happen. So it's not just poof, I've made a ton of money. You do have to, pay attention to the products that you're making videos about. You want to pay attention to the cost of them, how popular they are on Amazon, how good their reviews are. Because one of the things, once you start earning revenue, if somebody returns a product, they take that commission back. So you do get negative line items in your commissions when you help somebody buy a product and then they return it. So it's really important that you make sure you're providing as much factual information to help people make an educated purchasing decision, and not just try to get them to buy whatever means, because that can come back to cause you problems. Hey, I hope you found this video helpful. Please consider clicking that subscribe button, ringing the bell, and turning on mobile notifications for future content to help you crush it with Amazon Influencer Video. If you haven't been approved for the Amazon Influencer program yet, there's over 400 videos here to help you grow your audience and brand here on YouTube. On screen now, you can either check out the video on how to get to 1,000 subscribers to continue to grow your brand here on YouTube, or click the video on how to qualify for the influencer program. I'll see you in the next video.